Today we have two exciting events. The first one, in about 7 miles, we will be crossing the halfway point. So that'll feel really good. And the second one, which might not feel so good afterwards, is the half-gallon challenge, which is eating half a gallon of ice cream by yourself. So we're up to the challenge, looking forward to it. Somewhere in here is the halfway point to the Appalachian Trail. We're not sure if it's signed or not, but regardless, it feels good to be hitting this milestone. Well, I just did a crap load of screaming. There is a rattlesnake right there, crossing the path right now, coming towards me. I'm gonna be backing up.
Holy crap. That is a big old fat snake. Film that. This is the point where you don't want to mess with him, when he's like that. Yeah. When he's like a little ball.
Here we are at the halfway point, which is technically not the halfway point, but we made it to the sign. Pine Grove Furnace Store, home of the half-gallon challenge. Here we are, picking out our flavor for the half-gallon challenge. All right, here we're about to start. Brandon has the royal banana split, and I have the mint chocolate chip. So it'll be interesting to see how this all ends. How good is it?
Good. Banana ice cream, pineapples and strawberry.
All right, eat it.
How are we doing? Alright, how's it taste?
It's still good.
Alright. Nutrition facts of the royal banana split is as follows. There are 12 servings, so everything times 12. Total fat, 9 grams. Saturated fat, 4.5 grams. Cholesterol, 25 milligrams, which is 8% of 2,000 calories. There's
Mint chocolate chip is all done.
There's sewer tasting.
I got my half-gallon club stick. All of this before Brandon here has finished his. I just wanted to point that out.
Yep. Scraping it out.
All done. And I just wanted to point out again that I was done first. We're going into the Appalachian Trail Museum.
Swinging Bible. You'll probably hit that miserable part where it's all rocky. I want you to sign in when you get a chance here.
Founders of the AT, Benton McKay,
So we're going to have to be delicate with this grass.
and Myron Avery. Here's Earl Schaefer, the first thru-hiker.
She's from Pennsylvania, from Virginia, and met in the middle. And in the middle of the AT was like, yeah, we thought.
You're not gonna be able to fix
dead. It just cracked.
How do you know it's dead?
I could fall and kill them tonight.
Maybe it cracked because you cracked.
God damn it! Here I go.
Oh God. Oh, just block the trail. And just you clip that other tree. Oh my God.
Green tree should not do that, Shaman.